Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkwili Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe indaba ze-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. Ngibukela i-DDC team ye-Kaizer Chiefs la. What I've realized or into engiyibonile la ukuthi badila na same problem currently eyenzeka laphana ku-senior team. Ba-create ama-opportunities amaningi, they're not able to bury those chances, bawathatha ama-opportunities. But ama-player kumele sifocuse kuwo agudi kakhulu bafowethu. Umabaso kumele ngabe uyadlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kumele ngabe uyawathola ama-minutes laphana ku-first team bafowethu, because ugudi kakhulu umdlali. I mean ama-passes awashayayo, because manje uzohlala isikhathi eside ku-DDC team agcine sesitakile laphana engasabi nayo ivelu, kanti ngabe bayamzama laphana ku-first team ku-midfielder bafowethu, ayi-superstar because of uzokwazi ukukhula, uzokwazi uku-challenge-eka. UDonay naye ngimbonile iplayer lelo le-Kaizer Chiefs laphana, leli bebalilone ku-SuperSport United last season, but-ke manje libuyile abana-plan ngalo ku-first team, but umfana udlala lapha ku-DDC team. So ubona ukuthi lento le izomu-encourage noma izombulala, izomphula ispirit overall ukuthi ubuyela ku-DDC team after he was promoted last season phela ku-first team bafowethu, only for ukuthi bamlone ku-SuperSport United angenzi kahle and then wabuyela ku-Kaizer Chiefs, guess what, izinto azimhambeli kahle-ke, but nangu ku-DDC team, but he's showing some moments, glimpse of i-greatness from kuye. So ubona ukuthi uzokwazi ukuziprova because i-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke ibheke yena kuphela, izobheka namanye ama-player laphana ku-DDC team ukuthi lama-player azokwazi ukudlala. And then khona uManqoba, what a player bafowethu, number 10 we-Kaizer Chiefs, your first half laphana, I mean ulively umfana, super skillful. Yibo abafana laba bekumele ngabe bayabathatha bababeka laphana ku-senior team immediately, and then bakwazi ukukhulela khona, bafunde for the next 3 years, bazi ukuthi i-project ukuthi bafunde, because ku-DDC team is-stagnant, awuyindawo improve. Akusiya amagama ami kuphela, khona u-goalkeeper we-Kaizer Chiefs, i-fourth goalkeeper ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu, ubani? Ubuntle, yes, Ubuntle. Wathi laphana ku-DDC team yena ka-improve ngona i-Kaizer Chiefs imlone. He said this I think 3 years back mangikhumbula kahle interview yakhe, but kulapho ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-senior team akadlali nokudlala, but he would rather be there ku-senior team ukuthi afunde nama-senior players. But you cannot be on the bench, or not even be on the bench, but-ke ungadlali for 3 years. That's a big problem. Kumele bamenzele iplan naye because ukhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but izinto azimhambeli kahle at the moment. But into engimangaza nge-Kaizer Chiefs, why ngingabhiliveli kulabadlali laba abancane, kulabafana laba abancane, because ba-talented but ayifuni ukuriska ngabo. Ubuntle Mulifa angadlala, angavimba kangcono kunoVuma. Lapho ngine-sure sengingambona u-goalkeeper ugudi ngempela, angavimba kangcono kunoVuma. Why don't they prioritize him ukuthi bazokwazi ukumbekezelela noma kuthiwa ukuthi wenza ama-mistake? uVuma una-30 manje, i-contract yakhe yaphela ku-Kaizer Chiefs next year 2026, but kunama-rumors kuthiwa i-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ukuyi-renew. So they need to trust these youngsters more. Labafana ba-super talented, mawubheka ibhola abadlalayo, they've just been unlucky these days ukuthi bangakwazi ukuwina. Bheka manje baye e-England, bazothola i-opportunity ukuthi badlale nabo Manchester United, possibly maybe abanye bangakwazi ukubhekwa ama-teams wa-overseas, but yeah, bagude kakhulu abafana laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Engingambonanga uNdlovu, mangithi ngithi uNdlovu, uHlongwane angimbonanga. I don't know what's happening ngoHlongwane because of naye ukhona laphana ku-DDC team. Yes, bampromotile to i-first team, but-ke in recent matches or recent days udlala laphana ku-DDC team akekho. Asazi noma uthintekile or une-problem, or maybe bafuna ukutravela naye lena eCongo, we don't know. But-ke for me, I think I assumed ukuthi bekazotravela ne-team ye-DDC team ukuthi aye laphana eNgilandi bodlala nobo-England, but-ke namhlanje bekangekho. Let's just assume ukuthi u-right, zonke izinto zakhe zimhambela kahle, because ubi-sad ukubona umfana athola i-injury. I mean ispace sakhe siyadingeka laphana ku-DDC team, experience yakhe iyadingeka. I hope laphana ku-senior team bakwazi ukumnika ama-opportunities ukuthi umfana adlale because of i-talent elikhona. I mean i-talent second to none, unalo i-talent, but inkinga, let's say upromote ucoach nabo or upromote ucoach nabe khona, ucoach nabo isikhathi esiningi bekangabhiliveli kuma-young stars. Bheka umfundo Mvilakazi ukuthi isikhathi asitholayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ulande, he prefers i-experience than ama-youngsters than i-talent. I-talent ungaba nalo, but-ke uma ungenayo i-experience kusho ungeke uthole ama-opportunities kakhulu. But yeah, the youngsters from the Kaizer Chiefs, they can improve, they can build a solid team. I mean ama-champions uyabona leyo abadlala ngakhona ukuthi okay, bayakwazi ukuwa-create ama-opportunities, but-ke into ey'ncane nje kumele balungise laphana ku-DDC team. UDonay possibly angakwazi ukusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ku-DDC team, but-ke ubuya ku-senior level, ubuya naku-SuperSport United, kubhethwe i-Premiership bafowethu la angenzanga kahle khona, but-ke sithemba ukuthi lento le ngeke imbulale i-spirit. Then khona umfana ku-left back laphana bafowethu, Nkwesa, what a player, what a good player laphana in terms of i-left back. nayo promote laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Opportunity-ke angiboni ukuthi uzoyithola ku-Kaizer Chiefs at the moment. Why? Because kunaboMayo, Mako man, and then kunoShinga, kunoCross, and benza kahle kakhulu. And lately-ke ulo waba ne-problem uCross, bafaka umfana laphana uMakhatho uyakwazi ukudlala i-left back, nayo super powerful. So kuzoba nzima for abafana ukuthi bavele baye laphana ku-first team ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but guess what, they have what it takes ukuthi badlale laphana ku-first team. But-ke konke kuyobe kulele kuma-coaches ukuthi ama-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs afisani abafiselani abafana, nanokuthi bafuna ukushape izinto kanjani. Yes, abanye abantu bangathi abekho ready abafana ukuthi bapromotiwe noma badlale laphana ku-first team because izinto azihambi kahle. Yes, umfana omncane ngeke umpromote from i-DTC team expect ukuthi uzosave i-team overall. There's no way. Kumele umintroduce kahle ku-system esebenzayo, akumelanga umintroduce umfana ku-system engasebenzi. But uNkwesa, yes, what I like about him umfana ukuthi uyakwazi ukulokhu njani ukudlala i-traditional noma i-modern left back, ukuthi uyakwazi ukuya phambili. Yes, akekho versatile ifana noMayo, but uyakwazi ukusiza i-team laphana at the back, uyakwazi ukusiza i-team noma i-attacker. So it's one for the future. Sikhumbule ukuthi wine nama-awards last season laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so umfana obaluleke kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. I mean, they're good. Abafana be-Kaizer Chiefs DTC team, they are good. They need to fix ku-final third. Ngibona i-opportunity enkulu bafowethu. Yabona mangikhuluma nge-opportunity enkulu, ngikhuluma nge-opportunity enkulu ngempela. I mean, noma kuthiwa ubani bekazoyikora, but-ke I mean ama-demons waku-first team awela kubafana. But-ke sibafisela inhlanhla overall ukuthi benze kahle laphana eNgilandi against Manchester United, Leeds, bakwazi ngempela ukuzibamba ziqine ba-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs, because of injeni iqala la kubo. Ukubroadcastiwa kanje ku-DTC team ichaza ukuthi umhlaba wonke uyababona, uyababukela. I mean, they can be inspired by khona umdlali ubani, uSmith lo ku-Stellenbosch, naye bedlala laphana ku-DTC team. But guess what, sidlala laphana ku-QPR. So kumele bamisela abafana noma bafika laphana eNgilandi babonise ukuthi ama-South African champions in terms of like reserve league, and then ama-team afana no-Manchester United lawa abazodlala nawo ama-team bazokwazi ukukhulisa amagama abo, babonise nabantu ukuthi why they deserve ukuthi mhlampe babonwe laphana eNgilandi. I mean, ama-champions overall bane-squad esingakompyutha nanoma yiphi team any given day, but they need to bury their chances. I mean, bageja ama-chance bafethu, ngikhuluma ama-clear chance mhlampe awu-6 engiwabonile, but ugoalkeeper weSikhukhune United, isikhukhuni lesi abadlala naso, yeah, I think isikhukhuni, uvimbile ugoalkeeper, like uvimbe into eserious bekungadlalwa. But I mean, ukugeja kangaka king of the problem, but isithemba ukuthi bazokwazi uku-improve laphana ku-final third. Sibafisela inhlanhla eNgilandi ukuthi bahambe kahle. Thulani Mabaso, Naledi Hlongwane, Nkwesa, I can't wait to see you bafowethu ku-first team, even if i-Kaizer Chiefs thola ukuthi ayiningi lawo ma-opportunities, but bathe ngeke balona ama-player wabo. Ubani uKaizer Motaung uthe ngeke balona ama-player wabo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. They would rather keep them babadlalise laphana ku-DTC team because of uslower progress yabo ukuthi babalona kwamanye ama-team, but kwamanye ama-team abadlali. But ngibafisela inhlanhla abafana bawu-3 super talented, great future. My favorite, Thulani Touch Mabaso, what a player. Danko bafowethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers.